Alright everyone, I apologize for the lateness of the video. We had some company come in at the last minute. I was unexpected, to me at least, so I snuck into the office to get this video out. Last night, about 3 o'clock in the morning Eastern Time, or I should say this early this morning, there was a report that came out in Britain about their housing market. And as you can see, going down to this 15-minute bar, immediately after the report came out, the market made a turn to the downside. This is a problem, in my opinion, that is limited to the British pound. You can see here that the euro at the same period had a bit of a draw, had a bit of a move down, but you can see it went sideways for quite a few hours until the New York opening, and then has kind of worked its way down. But it certainly was not the same as the British pound, which just had an enormous slide to the downside. So obviously there is a general strengthening in the US dollar, but at the same time there's a general weakening, or I should say a specific weakening with the British pound. So we have to keep that in mind. And I also want to comment on, some of you may be feeling like you missed out. Hey, I wanted to get in on this big move to the downside. And you know what? These kind of moves that are caused by news are impossible to predict. There's just no way to know ahead of time that the market's going to make a big move like this. There, of course, are ways based on the techniques in the kit to take advantage of them. The reason why I didn't talk about some of them, quite frankly, was because I had no idea that the move would be this dramatic. So don't feel like you're missing out. In fact, if anything, I love to see this kind of movement. Because remember, what has the market been doing for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trading sessions? Sideways. Okay? Now we see the momentum building. This is exactly what we want to see. Now let's wait for the market to come into a pennant or a flag, give us the next opportunity to get in for a break back to the upside or a continuation to the downside. Either way, folks, remember, the market's come back into support right here at 2.02. Where's the next stop? Right down here. So don't think you missed out. Okay, this is just the beginning. It's the beginning of the move. Okay, so anticipating this market to come down to 1.9869.